Economic importance of gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are used as making ornamental source of food, paper, essential oils, tannins, fibers, edible products, fatty oils, resins, and also used as medicine. Ornamentals. Cycas species, Araucaria species, Podocarpus species, Thuja species are used to make ornamentals from gymnosperms. Gymnosperms as source of wood: pine, cedar, Pinus roxburghi, Pinus sylvestris, Pinus volckiana, used as good quality timber, cheap furniture, wooden frames, packing cases. These are the uses of wood from pine. And cedar wood, Cedrus deodara, strongest Indian timber. Wood is scented and resistant to insects and fungus attacks. It is used for making railway sleepers, doors, window pans, boards, and furniture. Red cedar, Juniperus virginiana, used to make pencils and agarbaktis. U. Taxus baccata. The wood is heaviest of the softwood. It is most durable and highly elastic. It is used for making bows. Douglas fir. Scientific name Pseudotsuga taxifolia. It is used to yield veneers and plywood. Timber obtained is used for making laminated arches and heavy construction work. Firs: Abies spinro, Abies densa, Abies delevei, and Abies spectabilis, used for making railway tracks and furniture. These picture shows that the railway track and furniture. Other timber yielding plants are sequoia, redwood, Taxodium dictyum, Agnithis australis, Podocarpus. Edible products. Sago is an edible product which named as sabudana, a starch-rich food. Sago is obtained from Cycas species, Encephalarius species, Gemia species, and Macrogemia species. Other edible products are from young shoots, Cycas pectianta and Cycas revoluta, leaves and sobillae, Gnetums genome, and from cooked fruit, Cycas rumphi, and from seeds, Pinus gerardiana, Gnetum genome, Gnetum ula, Gnetum latifolium, Ginkgo biloba. The picture shows the chilgoja tree and seeds. Gymnosperms used as medicines like Ginkgo biloba extract concentrated and used as medicine. Epindrain plus is also used as medicine. From leaves extracts, Ginkgo leaf extract cures heart diseases, lungs, and circulatory diseases. Like Taxus species cures asthma, bronchitis, and epilepsy. Cupressus species cures vermifuge properties. Cycas species cures stomach and skin disorders and vomiting diseases. Bark and seeds. The decoction of seeds of Dione is used for neuralgia. A paste of bark and seeds of cycas mixed with coconut oil is used as poultice for sores and swelling. Oil obtained from seeds of pinus seeds is used as dressing of wounds and ulcers. Drug obtained from Epidra species used in treatment of asthma, hay fever, and cold. Resin. The resins are the complex oxidation products of various essential oils. The resins are secreted in ducts and canals of the plants. They are derived from the plant parts in form of fluid which gradually harden due to evaporation of the oil they contain. They are insoluble in water but soluble in ether and alcohol. Various types of resins: turpentine oil, Canada balsam, amber, rosin, copal. Copal, Agathis australis. It is the transparent and very hard resin used in spirit varnishes polishes and in preparation of plastic and linoleum. Amber, Penites succinifera, extremely hard and brittle, used in X-ray therapy in preparation of blood container mouthpieces of pipes, cigarette holders. Turpentine oil, obtained from Pinus roxburghi, Pinus insularis, Pinus volckiana, used in painting. Rosin, species of Pinus. Rosin is a brittle, friable, and family aromatic solid used in paper sizing, varnish making, making of soap, sealing wax, printer ink, grease, and used as lubricants. Canada balsam, Abies balsamia. Resin does not crystallize on drying and have a high refractive index. It is used for mounting microscopic slides. Venetian turpentine, Larix decidua. It is used in making varnishes in veterinary medicines. And this picture shows tanning heights from tannins. Essential oils: Sugo species, Picea species, Cedrus species, Juniperus species, Cupress species, Abies species. Extract oils. Fibers: bark of Gnetum species are used to make fishing net. Macrozemia species are used to make stuffing fiber. And making of paper: Pichia species, Pinus species, Cryptomeria species, ABS species are used to make paper. Thank you. I hope all you enjoyed by seeing my video.